Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I think you all must have seen the Tamil version on how we can index in 10 minutes. So before understanding things, let me show you something. I have selected some products from Clip and searched them on Google USA. So the first product I searched by reviewing Metron. It's very important to clear a doubt from people's minds that indexing is not happening on Google, because many people have said that, sir, it's not getting indexed on Google. So if you ever want to check this thing regarding indexing, and I'm talking about anything related, whatever it may be, whether it's a product or any keyword or anything in the world, whether it's white hat, gray hat, or black hat, we find out in the same way whether it's getting indexed or not. So what should you do? Pick any keyword that is very popular in the market and go into it. After going into it, what you should do is check if anyone in the communities has posted a review, anything at all, and whether it is getting indexed or not. Now look here, it was indexed 7 hours ago, okay? It was indexed here. It was indexed 2 hours ago. It's getting indexed on Reddit. It was indexed on Global Newswire 23 hours ago. All right, so one thing I understand is that things are indeed getting indexed, meaning no one can say that indexing is not happening. Now let's pick another keyword, and you should look at this. Again, we will go to the tools. Then we are going to click on NoPass 24. Now looking here, we can see that yes, things are getting indexed in the communities. This was indexed 3 hours ago. This was indexed 2 hours ago, which means things are getting indexed, but we don't know how to do the indexing. Now look, if you ask me the question of how things are indexed, so I'm going to tell you about many things in the video ahead. So you need to watch each thing very carefully and understand it well, okay? I want to tell you a little about myself here, that we conduct paper calls and do SEO, and we provide complete training for it. Our motive is that we do not give theoretical knowledge. We always provide practical knowledge. So anyone interested can contact the number given below. Okay, so let's continue. The main question here was how we should index things. Look, the first thing is, if I have to index anything, then we need some quality backlinks, right? If you have proper backlinks, then you can index anything very quickly. So you need to see here, look, I am telling you the easiest way. What is the easiest way to index? First, we need to understand that all the people who get things indexed here, obviously it gets removed from the community very quickly. So this is basically used in ranking TN or anything. So all the people who index things are able to do it in the market in only two ways. Either they do it here by batting. What does it mean to make batting? Suppose I have put an article here, okay? I have put this article. Now, what will I do? I will tell you the first method, which is our last method. That is one of the best methods. If you follow this method, then I guarantee that you will be able to rank anything within 10 to 15 to 20 minutes. And you will also be able to index it very easily. If I need to index anything, I need to do first is, in whichever community we have done posting, do review posting, page posting, post it. Immediately, what we do is we take the link of that community, okay? And then we need to create some high quality backlinks. And where do our backlinks get created, okay? I am telling you, you need to create backlinks on Ideapedia. You can create them on Pedia if you have a good website. If you have a very good website that generates a lot of traffic, you can put your link in its footer, create a backlink from there, and do things from there, okay? Or you will have to simply find out which news websites are there, where we can comment. Now look, obviously I can't give you everything here, but I can tell you about news websites. All right, for, websites for comment backlinks, you need to search, where you can comment. Search for those websites, make a list of them, and then confirm your website link there. Secondly, what you can do with this, whatever link you have taken for your website, make a Web 2.0 point for that link. First of all, what you will do is create a Web 2.0 point. What this means is that you will create a website on Google Sites, on Wix, or anywhere else. I have created a website on Wisp, or I have created any website on Google Sites. I have created a website on Google Sites. All right, I've created a website on Google Sites. Now, what I will do is, for example, I will show you the website I have created on Google Sites. All right, so what I will do with this website is I will publish and share it. In a second, I will publish this website. All right, I will put anything and publish it. And after publishing, now what I will do is go to the public site here, and I will get a URL for it. If I create something on the top of that URL, what I did first was write an article related to the product here. And I put some product related articles on Google Sites. After putting them on Google Sites, whatever link is generated if I create a backlink on Wikipedia for this link, it will crawl this link faster than if you were to create a direct backlink. This link will be crawled faster, and your website will also be indexed. And the Google Sites website that you want to index will also be indexed. Besides this, there are many community websites through which we are getting our website indexed, All right, so whoever needs it, whoever wants to create it can comment below to get the links to those websites. Okay, I will send them the links to those websites just via email or put them in a reply. Whatever it is, you can do it there. Just comment and then message me on WhatsApp and I will give you that link. Or if I receive a good number of comments, I will post that link in the description. You can go there, make a post, and get your site indexed. Now, the second method, the other method, look, for those who work at a large scale, who have a substantial amount, what they can do is, in particular, go to expireddomain.com here and definitely discover if there is any news website you can find that has daily traffic. You need to do your research. Here, you will have to find a news website. Suppose I put a comprehensive news table right here, and you will have to locate it carefully. I had created an account specifically for this one purpose. Okay? I just want to tell you that indeed, you need absolutely log in right over here and search thoroughly for various types of news articles. And surely enough, you'll find many diverse kinds of interesting news websites. Now, in the new website, you need to see which news website is similar. For example, if I said that I copied this website, after copying this website, I want to see how much volume the score is hitting. Okay? So, what I will do, I have SEMrush. All right, I will open it here. I will see how much traffic is getting on it. The minister is generating traffic of about 10,020, which means Google is crawling it on a daily basis. What Google is doing is crawling on a daily basis. And if Google is crawling it daily, and this is a Google News approved website, then if we put any link in its photo, that link will be indexed with a guarantee. So I just want to show you that it takes a little time, just a few seconds. We just need to see here how much traffic it is getting. Let me open it. It opens a bit quickly. It took some time. So my main motive is to see if a good volume and traffic is being generated on our website. And if we put our link in its photo, you just need to put the link of our post. See, this is a very good method. You just need to find a friend who works on a news website or web stories. Whoever works on a news website or web stories, their website is on a daily basis. I don't know, it's taking a lot of time here. If I put it and see how much traffic is coming on it, thank you, a lot of traffic is coming on it, you need to find a good domain. It means linking domains are very good, but the traffic is not much, so I would not recommend it. Here, what you need to do is research. Find those with very good traffic. You can buy that domain and put your link in its fruit. The more unique it crawls, the faster it will be indexed. The third and my last method, which I said is the best method if you follow it, it also requires a little investment. If you follow it, any link of yours will be indexed within 10 minutes to an hour. For this, what you need to do is, there is a website called Speed Index. Go to it, and it provides link indexing for 100 links. It also provides a free trial. So you can go to this website. It will index any of your links very quickly. You can follow it. There are many such websites. But among the websites I have tested, the best website for indexing purposes, which indexes any tool very quickly, I don't know. I had some Wi-Fi issue in it. The website that indexes any tool is this website. You can go to this website. You can put as many pages here. Obviously, if you want to use it, you can use it for free. You just need a number of Telegram accounts. If you have a number of Telegram accounts, obviously you will understand what I am trying to say. If you have a number of Telegram accounts, you can easily index 1,000 or 2,000 links on a daily basis. That too completely free. So that is all. If you want to index your website within 10 minutes, that is the thing. You can follow all these methods. Even now, if you have any issues in SEO or PPC, which is pay-per-call, the number is given. You can contact me. I am going to help. I hope you like this video. And if you have a list of those communities, please like the video, comment in the comment section. You can then message me on WhatsApp with a screenshot of the comment you made. And I will provide you that community link for free. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.